Trevino Golf Institute is the only year-round, full-service indoor golf training facility in northern Nevada. We train our players outside and inside. Bad weather is no longer an excuse not to practice your golf game. Our indoor facility was designed to allow the player to work on, practice nearly all areas of their game. There are multiple hitting bays, chipping surfaces, putting greens, and mirrors placed throughout so you can see yourself improve. At TGI, we know that what happens at impact is what really matters. That's why we offer Tommy putting technology and FlightScope radar technology. Radar changed the game with its ability to track a ball in real time across 27 variables. Our partnerships with the club at Arrow Creek and Duncan Golf Management allow us to utilize multiple courses. TGI instructors are available for on-course lessons, private lessons, group lessons, and we can tailor a program for individuals and for any goal. Our custom club workshop accommodates all golf club needs, from re-gripping and re-shafting to fully custom fit and built sets. We can custom tailor every club in your bag. Call the Trevino Golf Institute today to find your perfect golf game. Trevino Golf Institute, 5390 Riggins Court, Suite D, Reno, Nevada, 89502. Call us today, 775-825-6747. Visit our website at www.trevinogolfinstitute.com.